Here we are going to have a detailed look at the BREITLING COLT Chronometer Mens Watch. The packaging looks simple but elegant. The watch successfully passed the test of the official Swiss Chronometer Testing Institute called COSC and is covered by an international warranty that is valid for 2 years. The automatic watch has a 44mm stainless steel case with an uni-directional rotating bezel. Inside is a self-winding chronometer movement. The 22mm stainless steel bracelet comes with a fold-over safety clasp. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos. Thanks for watching.